Hey there, welcome to FitNation Hub Guide to Strength Training at Home. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve your health, or just feel stronger, I've got you covered. No fancy equipment? No problem. Today, we're using bodyweight exercises, household items, and simple tips to get you started. So, grab a water bottle, clear some space, and let's do this. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders or gym goers. It's for everyone. It improves your posture, boosts metabolism, reduces the risk of injury, and makes daily tasks easier, like lifting groceries or playing with your kids. Plus, it's amazing for mental health. So, if you're ready to feel confident and strong, let's jump into the basics. First is warm-up. A proper warm-up prevents injury and gets your muscles ready to work. Let's do this together. 1. Arm circles, 30 seconds each direction, loosen up those shoulders. 2. Bodyweight squats, 10 reps, engage your legs and core. 3. Marching in place, 1 minute, get your heart rate up. 4. Hip circles, 30 seconds each direction, great for mobility. Alright, feeling warm? Let's dive into strength training. We're starting with lower body exercises to build a strong foundation. 1. Bodyweight squats, 10 to 12 reps, keep your chest up, and don't let your knees go past your toes. 2. Lunges, 8 reps per leg. Use a chair for balance if needed. 3. Glute bridges, 10 to 15 reps, great for your hips and lower back. Pro tip, focus on slow, controlled movements to really activate those muscles. Now, let's strengthen your arms, chest, and shoulders. 1. Push UPS 8 to 12 reps, modify by doing them on your knees if needed. 2. Bend over rows, 10 reps, use water bottles or cans for resistance. 3. Wall push UPS 12 reps, perfect for beginners to build chest and tricep strength. Quick tip, keep your core engaged to protect your back. Finally, let's target the core. A strong core supports everything you do. 1. Plank hold, 20-30 seconds. Start on your knees if needed. 2. Dead bugs, 8 reps per side. Slow and steady wins the race. 3. Russian twists, 10 reps per side. Use a light household item for added challenge. Feeling that burn? That's your strength building. Awesome job today. Let's cool down and stretch to prevent soreness. 1. Child's pose, stretch out your back and shoulders. 2. Hamstring stretch, hold for 20 seconds per leg. 3. Chest opener, release any tension in your chest and shoulders. 4. Cat-cow stretch, loosen up your spine. Take deep breaths. You've earned this moment of relaxation. Congratulations! You just completed your first strength training session at home. Remember, consistency is key. Start with this workout 2 to 3 times a week and increase intensity as you feel stronger. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their fitness journey. Let's build strength together, 1 rep at a time. See you next time.